What's up, guys? Welcome to the first real video on the channel. Today we're going to be doing some cool BMW car stuff. We got Ryan here in his 5-speed E46. So let's get into it. We're just going to grab some breakfast real quick. We got Ryan's. This is his E46. Not much done to it. It's on coils. It's got a quick release and it's straight piped all the way from the headers. It's really loud. Just stopping at Orchard, picking up some angle grinder blades. What are the future plans for the E46? LS3 swap, drift livery, big wing wheels. What else you got in stock?
That's not true though.
Stage 18 clutch. It's really cold. So should we just take one of these? Making a stop at Best Buy right now. Might pick up a camera. We're gonna look around. If you guys have any suggestions of cameras I should get, let me know, because right now I'm just recording on my phone. So what we were gonna do originally was take this exhaust tip off, this one, and put it on Ryan's. So put him in here. Taking off the welds right now because it's got one bolt right there that loosened it a lot, and I can't find my angle grinder. So we're gonna whack job this shit. And Ryan's gonna do most of it because he normally does, and I just got my tattoo. I'm not trying to mess it up or anything. Oh yeah. We've come to the conclusion that it's not gonna work, obviously, so we're gonna take the Subi to the store real quick and go buy an angle grinder, and I found my welder so we can put it on. I wonder if it comes with a blade, because I just spent like about a $4 overpriced one at the local store. So 600 angle. Damn, Walmart not skipping a beat on the Christmas decorations. How do you feel about this?
Do you have a battery? Does it come with a battery?
I don't know.
You should probably test that out.
Yeah, I think it's got everything. Got brick over here. nice.
It's just disintegrated.
Why?
What? Oh.
Got that bitch off. Now it's time to tack it on the beams.
E-brake that I put on yet, but I'm ordering stealing freaking rear brake pads and rotors.
Yeah.
So it can lock way better.
Got Diego Z. LS swapping it soon. It's got rear over fenders on it. The Ings rear bumper, the same one I had on my Z. So this is basically the channel set up right here. Thank you guys for everybody who subscribed. This is gonna be our logo. We couldn't get the exhaust tip on because the welder ran out of wire and we need another angle grinder blade. So I'm gonna go to the store tomorrow and grab all that stuff and we're gonna tack it on. There's gonna be a lot more drift cars coming to the channel too. I'm gonna get a new drift car. I haven't decided what I'm gonna get yet, but I'm gonna be doing a series on that and motor swapping it, and it's gonna be a big new drift build, and I'll be going up to OSW and driving. For the next video, I'll have a camera too. I won't be recording off my phone. So let me know what cameras you guys suggest, and I'll go pick it up. Next video coming out soon. Thanks for watching. Peace out.